All right, we have all looked under the couch for some extra change, but the next time you need some money, you should start with all the clutter. You can easily turn it into cash. You just need to know where to look. We're going to help you out today. Tonia Tomlin from Sort It Out is going to help you find that extra cash. I can't wait to find some money in my apartment. Good morning.
Good morning, Alana.
All right, I want to declutter my home, but I don't want to donate everything. I kind of separate piles, donate, think a little further. Do I want to keep this? Do I want to save it? What are some ways to turn my clutter into cash?
Yes, a lot of times when we're working in homes with our clients, I say, okay, let's consider donating, keeping pile, and then also consign. People always light up when I say that because they're like, oh, I can get some money for this, so let's show them how.
All right, now how can we earn money for our furniture?
Yes, so one of my favorite places to consign is Furniture by Consignment in Dallas, and they have several locations. And what I love about them is you can take a picture of your items, and before they'll even accept them, they'll say, yes, we would like this item, and this is how much we're going to give you for this item, and they'll also schedule a pickup for you. And you can have contactless pickup or you can deliver it yourself.
Saves you a little trip right there if you can send it in advance. That sounds good to me. How about specialty items?
Yeah, specialty items are going to be things like designer furniture, antiques, different things that you might have collected along the way through your travels, really unique items. And we use Consignment Heaven also in Dallas for that. And you'll have to take those items to their location, but they'll also just pick it up for you as well. So just, contact them, take a picture or take it there.
And you also suggest using apps like Nextdoor and Facebook Market to sell your items. What's a good resource if you're worried about using these apps?
One of the things our clients always ask us is, how can I have these items picked up but not have the stress of being safe? So we recommend going to safetradestations.com. And you can select a location. Usually it's a fire station or a police station, and they'll be there while you're doing a trade or a transaction with those items.
That's a great website. I had no idea that something like that was available. Yeah, thank you for sharing that. Now, where can we take our clothing if we want to sell it?
Yes, we get this all the time because obviously in the professional organizing business, we are decluttering and donating and selling things for our clients all the time. So one of our friends is Clothes Horse Anonymous, which they offer free pickup service. It's a courier service that they have. And they take not just luxury items, but your everyday items, J. Crew, Lululemon, Banana Republic. So you don't have to have just high luxury items with them. And it is for women's resale as well. And then all of a sudden you get a check in the mail, 3 months later, and you just decluttered and you got some cash in your pocket.
It's a nice surprise a little later down the road. Now, one thing I have a lot of, and it's hard for me to let go, is jewelry.
Yes, jewelry is so hard. You could also do Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace or eBay, but we also like jewelrybuyersdallas.com because I feel like if you have an appraisal for an item, they can properly evaluate it, and then you can schedule an appointment with them to pick up the item or do the trade as well.
Okay, now how about for those who have electronics like iPhones, iPads, computers, and they'd like some money for them?
Yes, that is a great question because a lot of times we go into these homes and you have so many iPads and so many iPhones and computers just lying around, and that is just cash in your pocket. So greenbuyback.com is a great resource because you can upload your item and they'll say, okay, I will take this for X amount of dollars, and they will send you a shipping label, and then you just pop it in the mail and you get your money within 2 to 3 business days. Another option, it's worthmore.com. They will also give you an instant quote, and they will send you a free shipping label, and that is also uploaded to your PayPal, Venmo account within 2 to 3 business days. So there's a lot of options out there. Also, Best Buy has a buyback program. If you want to upgrade your items, you can take your items into the store, and they will give you on-the-spot pricing there.
You are chock full of information. Oh my gosh, Tonia, thank you so much. And I know that you can also help us decide what is good to sell and what is not good to sell. Great information. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
You
Have a
bet.
great day.
Hey, you too. Greg?